So we're going to go through our items that are in our bags that we all are going to pick up in our drive-thru. As usual, we have our stickers and our sticker page. We also have a letter explaining the program for 0 to 5-year-olds, as well as 6 to 18-year-olds. And then there is a list of the activities for teens. And then there are 3 different bingo sheets. So each age group has a different bingo sheet to use, and you'll get a bingo sheet each month. So for every half hour you read, or read to, or read to each other, however you do it, you get to put a sticker on your sticker page. You'll also be getting weekly, you can pick up an activity bag. If you do all the activities in the bag, that can earn you up to 6 stickers. So again, so you can keep putting your stickers on. Then, beginning June 8th, you can start bringing in your sticker pages to get your prizes. So, for every 5 stickers, you will earn a prize. So for Story Stars, 0 to 5-year-olds, for every 5 stickers, you'll get a Miss Shannon Story Star buck. For the Sparks, which are 6 to 12-year-olds, you'll get a scratcher that says Sparks, and teens as well have their own scratcher. So once you scratch off on the scratcher as the prize, you'll fill out your name and contact information and turn in your order form of what you're going to get, your prizes, and then 24 to 48 hours later we will let you know that the prizes are ready to pick up. Everything that we do with summer reading will be off-site. Nothing will be happening in the library. Everything will be drive-through for picking up paperwork, for picking up your prizes, for turning in your stickers. Everything will be done off the back dock. There are some events that are separate from your weekly bags, and they are registration. So if you look on Events calendar, those events will start popping up, especially the teens. Teens have something going on pretty much every week. For the Sparks, there's a few things that are going up that are registration. That includes Writing Club. Writing Club will be done via Zoom, and you must register in advance to join that group.
Hi! How many kids? 3? Thank you. Got it? Thank you. Bye. Hi, Danielle.
Hello, buddy.